This motor doesn't care about AC or DC. A normal DC motor reverses when you flip the polarity. But this motor doesn't, and it doesn't care whether the input is AC or DC. It still runs in one single direction. A normal DC motor reverses when you change the polarity, but this motor doesn't. Why? Today we're going to answer one simple question. Why doesn't this motor care about AC or DC? Changing the polarity on a normal DC motor makes it reverse. That's something even an elementary school kid knows. This is exactly what we expect. This is the universal motor. The field coil and the armature coil are connected in series, so both magnetic fields reverse together when AC polarity flips. The commutator and brushes keep the torque direction aligned, no matter what the input is. That's why this motor runs on both AC and DC and still rotates in one single direction. Here are the two motors we're about to open. A geared universal motor on top and a standard universal motor below. Let's break them down and see what's inside. Let's open standard universal motor first. Before loosening the mounting screws, we need to remove the carbon brushes first. If we don't, the rotor can twist as it comes out, and that can damage the brushes. With the motor opened, you can see the rotor with its commutator and windings, and the stator with the field coils. These two interact magnetically, and that's what makes the motor spin. This is a geared motor and much newer than the previous one. Also, it uses a 6-pin connector for more precise control. The extra pins allow finer sensing and smoother operation compared to a normal universal motor. Before we look at how this motor spins the same on both AC and DC, we'll run one more test to confirm its behavior. This is the series wound layout. The field coil and armature are in one single current path. Parallel wiring exists too, but this motor uses the series configuration. We'll look at why that matters in the next diagrams. In this first diagram, the rotor has taken on this magnetic polarity. Same colors means same polarity, so you can see exactly how the forces act. Here, the N-pole and S-pole on rotor are being pushed away by repulsion and being pulled in by attraction. Those four forces combine and start rotating the rotor clockwise. This is the polarity before the flip, and this is after. The commutator changes the contact point, reversing the current and the magnetic poles. Yet the force pattern still drives the rotor clockwise. Now the rotor has completed a 180-degree rotation. And with the same magnetic interaction repeating every half turn, this process continues, allowing the rotor to keep spinning continuously. In a DC motor, reversing the polarity reverses the spinning direction. That's because the commutator shifts the brush contact to the opposite segment, flipping the current through the armature. With the current reversed, the magnetic poles swap and the motor spins the other way. In a universal motor, the field coil and the armature are in series, so when the polarity flips, both magnetic poles flip together. Their relationship stays the same, and the torque direction doesn't change. And that's why it works the same on both AC and DC. When we connect the red lead to the commutator in this configuration, the current enters the armature from the opposite segment. That changes the armature's magnetic polarity relative to the field coil, and the motor rotates opposite direction. Before moving on, let's check the RPM at 100 volts DC. With the tachometer, we're getting about 9,000 RPM, which matches the motor's expected performance. With the AC test at the same 100 volt level, the RPM drops compared to DC. AC's sine wave input reduces the effective power, so the motor can't maintain the same high speed. At the same 100 volts, the DC test reached 9,054 RPM, while AC peaked at 8,071 RPM. DC provides constant voltage, so the motor keeps strong torque at high speed. AC's sine wave input reduces effective power, causing the slight drop you saw. Overall, DC delivers higher RPM and more stable performance than AC. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay curious, keep exploring. See you in the next one.